So Lord Krishna, he was explaining to Arjuna about how he is different from all other living beings. And Krishna appears in this material world again and again to re-establish the religious principles and to protect the devotees and to annihilate the miscreants. So Krishna now goes on explaining about the effects of knowing him in truth. So Krishna says, Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo vetti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti so Arjuna. Krishna says, one who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not upon leaving the body take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. So Krishna is telling, Janma karma cha me divyam. Krishna is telling that my birth and my activities are divya. Divya means divine. It is not of this material world. The activities of all the conditioned souls in this material world are under the influence of time and prakriti, material nature. And one gets reaction to the actions he performs. But Krishna's birth and activities are not like that. Here, we conditioned souls, we take birth based on the reactions to our past activities. There are laws of karma. Those who do good karmas, they get beautiful bodies, they get wealth, they get intelligence, they get birth in very good aristocratic families or highly elevated brahmanas families, or they even may be transferred to the heavenly planets, Svarga Lokas. So there are reactions. According to one's own actions, one gets a future body. And those who perform sinful activities, they get reaction in the form of ugly bodily features, poverty, diseases, and even taking birth in lower species of life. So in that way, according to one's own karmas, we are put in different material bodies and we enjoy or suffer the reactions of our own past activities. But Krishna's birth is not like that. Krishna is Supreme Lord. He has no reactions or actions. Whatever he does is good, and then he is having no reactions for his own actions. So Krishna is telling, Janma karma cha me divyam. And whatever Krishna does, that is also good for everyone. Whether Krishna protects a devotee or Krishna annihilates a demon, it is all good for those whom he is protecting or killing. So all living beings are parts of Krishna. So whenever Krishna does anything to any one of them, it is good for that living being. Therefore, Krishna's birth and activities are divya, transcendental. They are not of this material world. So Krishna is telling, Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo vetti tattvataha. If we understand Krishna's birth and activities properly, and then what happens? Tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti Arjuna. Such a person who understands Krishna correctly in truth, he will return to Krishna after giving up this material body. He will not take birth again in this material world. So this is the benefit of understanding Bhagavad Gita and understanding Krishna properly. Krishna is not an ordinary human being. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is one person in the entire existence who is different from every living being. He is Supreme Lord. He is not an ordinary person. So this we have to keep in mind.